today I'm going to show you how to make cornflakes chura. So let's see how to do this. So I have taken a kadai here and I've kept that on medium flame. I don't want it too hot, and I have some cornflakes here. So ideally we use normal cornflakes, but here I have honey and nuts cornflakes at home because this is what I normally have for my breakfast. So I have this and I like the flavor because it's a little sweet, so I'm going to use this. But if you have normal cornflakes, then that also you can use it in this recipe. So I'm going to nicely warm this and nicely mix this in this kadai. So I have nicely sauteed this cornflakes in this because it's got that honey and nuts coating. So you just need to be a bit careful that it doesn't burn, and you just need to mix this properly. And I've sauteed this for some time. It's nicely fried now. I'm going to take this out in a plate. Now into this kadai, I'm going to add some oil. This is around 2 to 3 spoons of oil in this. I'm going to add peanuts in this. So I have been saute frying this peanuts in this oil, and this looks like now it's done. I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to add some cashews in this. I'm going to again saute this till it's golden fried. This is now light brown in color, so golden fried actually. So I'm going to take them out. Now into this pan I'm going to add raisins in this. Just be careful when you're adding raisins because you don't want the raisins to burn. So the raisins are nicely fried now and they are not burned at the same time, so I'm going to take them out now. Now into this pan I'm going to add some curry leaf, some chili. I'm going to saute fry. So I've now saute fried the chili and the curry leaves. Need to be a bit careful because green chili seeds do splutter. Now I'm going to add turmeric, chili powder, and a little bit of garam masala into this. And I'm going to switch off the flame because I don't want the masalas to burn. And I'm going to add salt in this and little bit of sugar. Now because I'm using honey and nuts cornflakes, I don't need much sugar. If you like more sugar, or if you are using normal cornflakes, then you can add more sugar if you like. You can also add powdered sugar. Now I'm going to add the cornflakes, the fried cornflakes, peanuts, nuts and the raisins that are fried into this. And I'm going to nicely mix this up. Now I've mixed everything well. I'm going to switch on the gas and keep the flame on very low, so this masalas doesn't burn, but at the same time everything mixes well and the cornflakes as well cooks properly here. It's been some time now, not too long though. The cornflakes looks properly mixed with the all the other nuts and masalas, and it's all completely done now. So I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. So I have now transferred the chivada into this bowl. Look how yummy this looks like. I'm sure you must have liked this recipe. If you have liked it, don't forget to like this recipe on my YouTube channel and also subscribe to my channel. See you later. Take care and bye-bye.